Clean eating is making you fat. If you're new here, I'm Neil John Thomas. I'm a 38-year-old retired bodybuilder, and I help men over 30 get into the best shape of their lives with as minimal effort as possible. That's what this whole channel is about. You can get to 10% body fat if you're a man over 30 years old, eating all your favorite foods and without doing any cardio whatsoever. So today we're talking about clean eating is making you fat. And before I get roasted in the comments, because I get so many negative comments about the whole foods in the organic industry and people want to fight me in the comments about this. But what you have to understand is clean eating has no ceiling for calories. You can get fat on almonds and olive oil. We're talking fat has 9 calories per gram. And just because something is claimed and labeled as healthy, does it mean you're healthy if you're 25% body fat, but you only eat whole foods, clean foods? No. I will take the person that is 10% body fat, eats pizzas and cakes and cookies, remakes them, makes them as healthy as possible, but they're 10% body fat and they're healthy, versus the person that only eats organic, clean food every day, all day, and is 25% body fat. I can't tell you how many people I talk to that go ape shit when I tell them what I eat. And how many people I've seen over the years that eat sweet potatoes and rice and chicken, the chicken and rice diet, and 2 eggs for breakfast with a cup of oatmeal, and none of them are 10% body fat. Yes, I've met people that can get to 10% body fat eating clean foods, but guess what? None of them maintain it for the rest of their life. And the biggest thing I want you guys to take away from this, 90% or more of people that do the clean eating approach have a bad relationship with food because they label things as good and as bad. Pizza is bad. Donuts is bad. Lettuce is good. Sweet potato is good. When you do that, you literally are creating a bad relationship with food. You have to stop moralizing food as good or bad. What makes it good or bad are the macros around the food, how you build the food, how you don't over consume the food. But unfortunately, in our fat slob society that we live in now, no one has discipline, no one has willpower, so they think by eating clean, that is going to get them to their dream physique, their dream body. It doesn't. 90% of the time, it doesn't. If we know that 9 calories is 1 gram of fat, 4 calories is a gram of protein, 4 calories is a gram of carbs, literally fat is double and then some of the calories. So saying, yeah, I eat avocados every single day. Hey, guess what? You're 20% body fat. I don't care. I don't want to hear it. I knew this girl I dated a few years ago, and she was always complaining about not losing weight. And she would send me the meals she was making, and I told her this a dozen different times. Her breakfast was always the same thing. It was literally 4 whole eggs, an entire avocado, feta cheese, and then a bowl of berries. Again, whole, clean foods. Those are all whole. They're labeled as good foods. But guess what? She was literally 30 pounds overweight. And I kept telling her, like every meal, she was so anal about everything being whole food, organic this, organic that. And I'm like, you're never going to get to where you want to go if you continue with that bad relationship of food in your mind. I think about my dad when I was growing up. My dad used to run marathons. He literally would be on the treadmill every day when I got home from school. And he'd be running 10 to 15 miles a day, every day. Guess what? He was overweight because he did the whole clean food thing. He would eat an entire freaking jar of cashews. And I'm like, Dad, that was literally when I was young, like that's like literally 5,000 calories. Like he would just eat handfuls of cashews, like the mixed nuts and stuff. Yeah, there's healthy fats out there. Like, yeah, you should consume healthy fats, but the issue is everyone over consumes. Literally, like 9 almonds is a serving. Does anyone ever eat 9 almonds? No. Everyone overeats with fats. So eating whole is not going to get you to where you want to go. Like, I still eat sweet potatoes and rice and whole eggs and peanut butter, almond butter. Like, I still eat whole foods, guys, but I don't overdo it, and I'm not doing it for every single meal, every single day. I want to actually enjoy my life. I love being lean. I love being under 10% body fat, but I also love having energy. I love going out to eat. I love going out and having drinks with my friends. I can still do all of that. I'm not superior genetics. I don't have like some crazy gene that makes me able to stay under 10% body fat. I literally just figured out macrolation, which is what I teach on here, macro manipulation, so that I can eat all my favorite foods every single day. And if you want to try any of those foods, it's completely free. The link is in the bio. I think there's like 20, 25 recipes on there now. Try them out. Pizzas, cookies, cakes, ice cream, donuts. You can eat all your favorite foods all the time. And guess what? Most of those foods, guys, they're made with whole ingredients. They're all natural. Very few of them have maybe a couple chemicals minimally processed here and there. Whoop-de-doo-dad. I will take the person that is 10% body fat but eats what they love, enjoys their life, is not stressed out, versus the person that is not 10% body fat but only eats whole foods and organic and is 20% body fat. The person who's 10% eats what they want and has no stress is going to live longer than the person that only eats whole foods. Like, think about it logically. Stress is the #1 killer. When people come to me and they're like, yeah, this is my diet and it's just straight whole foods, they're 20% body fat, their blood pressure sucks, like their labs are not good. I'm like, well, come on, like, you're literally stressing yourself out. Like, you are killing yourself. Eating whole foods, I'm not saying you specifically, but I'm just saying generally when I talk to people that are very anal about just eating whole foods and just eating organic, and society's trying to kill us, and there's processed foods and seed oils this and seed oils that, and you'll get cancer if you eat an Oreo, like, dude, come on. You're not eating fucking 20 Oreos a day. Like, you can have Oreos here and there. Again, just like with the nuts, moderation. You're not doing it every single meal all day long. What's most important is track your protein. Just hit your protein every day. Manipulate your foods so that you can eat them. If you love having an avocado, well, maybe don't eat the whole avocado and slice up a half avocado and put it on a piece of toast. Make sure the protein is high so that you feel satiated. Tons of fats are not going to make you feel full. But high protein will make you feel full and will help you get to that 10% body fat. So I'm sorry if this seemed like an angry rant toward you guys. I get heated about this one because I see it so much. I get so many negative comments about it. And again, I'm not anti whole foods, like cool, like eat organic foods. Like, I eat organic foods. Like, if you go through my refrigerator, there's tons of healthy organic foods, but I make all of my foods and I use those ingredients. And sometimes I use ingredients that have chemicals or minimally processed in it and seed oils. Like, I don't care. It's not like I'm literally consuming a bottle of seed oil every single day. It's like so minimal, but I have zero stress around food. I literally do not have to think about food. None of my clients think about food. They wake up and they just decide what they're going to eat on the spot. They don't have to think like, oh, yeah, but well, I had too many carbs the past 2 days, so can't have carbs today. That doesn't exist. They literally eat all their favorite foods every single day and enjoy their life with no stress and not having to worry about doing endless cardio. You guys can do the same exact thing. I highly recommend you get the free ebook, try out some of my recipes. If you want to take it a step further, there's a full 12-week coaching program from A to Z, take you from where you are all the way down to 10% body fat and be able to maintain it for the rest of your life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Let's get this out to as many men as possible that need to know you can eat your Oreos. You can eat your Pop-Tarts. I love Pop-Tarts. I have a Pop-Tart almost every other day. I love it. You can do the same thing, guys. Comment below. Let me know. Are you whole foods or are you team moderation? I'll see you guys in the next video. I believe in every single one of you guys. Keep working towards that 10%. You will get there.